In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how I'm decluttering my hallway linen closet. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, if you're like me, I kind of let this closet fall apart. Well, I was down. I couldn't walk good, so everything just kind of got shoved, and it came in a disarray. So now what I'm trying to do is get it all straightened out because with the spring, you do the spring cleaning. So I have to get this organized in some type of way that when I open it up, I like what I see. So I'm going to take you guys along as we empty it out and get it reorganized. Now that it's all emptied out, let's look at what all was in this linen closet. Don't judge me. Now the light fixture and the photo albums that I took out, they're in the kitchen on the cabinet because I wanted to put them in there again, but I want them separate from all of this foolishness. Now what I plan to do next is to really go through each item and throw away what needs to be thrown away and put the things in order. I am going later on, as you see out in the garage, I'm going to go get some more bins because I need to put some things in bins to separate some things because I don't want everything just hanging in there all willy-nilly. It has to be some kind of order. Now I do have a label maker that I am going to put some new labels on some of these bins, the smaller ones, because I really want this thing to be organized. I cannot, the way it was set up before, that's how I set it up when I first moved into this home, and I've never really gone back in and fixed it where it actually works well for me and had things in order. Having things where I'm gonna have to dig to look for it really gets under my skin. So this is something that really needed to be done. It's a lot of stuff. Now I have a cabinet in the master bath that I have towels on it for the master bathroom. And upstairs, the linen closet has towels up there as well. These are extras in case we have more guests than the ones I have upstairs, and then I can take those up there as well. Now what you're looking at here are my throws. I have different color throws to put on the sofa or the chair, and I went to go to get the bin that I have the rest of them in to share what I will be storing those in. So give me a minute. Now here's the bin here with the green throw on top of it that I'm going to try to, or attempt to, put all my throws in to keep them organized, so at least I know where they are. I do have some in a basket beside the fireplace, but I do have other colors. Now this bin is used to store tissue paper and paper towel in, and I need to rearrange it like I had it before, where they all fit in one thing. They all fit in there, and I wouldn't have to be looking for where to put them. Now that wallpaper is left over from the old owners that was up in the closet. I'm telling you, I haven't cleaned that closet out. Now the brown on the floor, I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. I may get rid of it, but the bigger ones, the white ones, those are paintable wallpaper. So those I might keep, because the one on the back is two different patterns. That one with the lines, and the one on the back has a really pretty pattern on it. So I might be using those in the near future. But I need to get some organization to all of this foolishness. So it's past due, and I really need to take care of it. So I'm going to jump into this, and let me know if you are cleaning for spring. Are you ready for the reveal? Here is my linen closet all organized. I think it came out really nice. The bins that are not labeled will be labeled soon, but now things are where they go. Now the extension cords at the top, that's all cords, so that's just it. But I did put the important stuff down, and everything are in bins where it's not all over the place. Again, those bins there, the gray one is hand towels, and the little brown one on the side, those are the little face towels. Now up here you saw me separate. The queen is in the gray and the king pillowcases are in the brown. So I try to keep them separated so I know which are which, and I won't be grabbing the wrong ones. Now that extra light up there, it was here when we got here because they wanted to put 3 in the kitchen and the island's not big enough for 3. Now the red bin is going to be moved because I'm trying to get the red bin, because it has the cotton balls in it, and the clear bin just has like little fixtures that go on to some of the, like the steam mop and things like that. But overall, the closet is organized. Let me know what you think about the organization of it all, of my linen closet, and let me know if you're organizing yours for the spring. I would love to read your comments down below, and if you have a video, link it so I can go and watch it, because I like to see people organize. So as always, the organization of it all, and I'll see you in the next episode.